What's up, Cash Camp? I want to do an MF Doomsday rug. My favorite Doom song is Fancy Clown. That shit goes so crazy. Let's get into it, right?
I knew you was in around, playing all innocent, hoeing since the foundation. Don't make me have to pound this 10 crown facing and risk being jammed up like traffic inbound from spacing. There's been a place for you in my heart since we first met. A teenage love that didn't feel no hurt yet. My boys warned me you was poison like BBD first cassette. And still I put my chips on the worst bet. Gave up the skirt, now I got a hair from the street. How dare you drag my name in the dirt and cheat? You could've broke it off, ended it and dipped. And if you spoke soft, we could've still preserved the friendship. Now you apologize, that's what they all say. You wasn't sorry when you sucked them off in the hallway. But have it your way.
You see the progress. We got the Nostalgia Ultra BMW. It's #1 dead. All these are looking real good, man. Real good. Doomsday. Looking crazy. I ran into a problem though. I ripped the fabric. Just getting a little technical rushing and stuff like that. Put a big shotgun hole in the middle of it, but I'll show you guys how to fix it, man. Don't even trip, it's gonna be all right. Man, that joint look good. But yeah, let's get right back into it.